Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with your watch. So before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can start playing some music on our phone. For example, I'm gonna open the YouTube and here I have a playlist and I can start playing it. And once you start playing music on your phone, you can go to your watch, wake up the screen on it. Then on the home screen, you can swipe right to open the page with widgets, I would call them. And the music widgets probably will pop up automatically right here. If it doesn't, you can simply scroll through this list to look for it. And once you find it, as you can see, we can control the music right here. We can tap on next to play the next song, tap on previous to play the previous song. We can pause it and resume it. We can tap on the icon right here, on the note icon, to open the application itself, the control application. We can adjust the sound volume. We can also change the source. So if you tap right here, you can select the source on which you want to control the music. As you can see, you can also control the music on the watch because you can play the music directly on the watch if you copy the songs as well. So if you select the watch, it will basically show you this. And you can do the same, but you have two more buttons. You have this button, and this basically changes the outputs. My bad. Pardon me. Basically output source. So I believe you can select headphones and stuff like that if you want to. And here this button allows you to also play music from the watch, but with different app, I believe. Yeah, you can create playlists and stuff like that. Okay. Let's close this. Let's stop the music. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.